Hello friend, in this video I will show you how you can make daytime running light from such types. Here I soldered the wires to connect to the side light. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, to install the type, I completely disassembled the headlights and installed the type inside the headlight lens. I connected the type wires to the headlights. To start with the dimension, decide on the wires and connect plus to plus, minus to minus. Friends, only now my right light does not go out yet. It will be necessary to fix the problem. That's all guys. Subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.